morning, students. I hope you are fit and fine. Today I am here to explain one of the grammar topics, sentence and its types. Already in one of the videos I have taught you sentence, that is sentence and phrase. In that video I have taught you sentence and phrase. In this video you will learn sentence and its types. First, understand about sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence, it is a group of words that contains a verb and make complete sense. I repeat, a group of words contains a verb and makes complete sense. Complete sense, it means complete meaning. A group of words that contains a verb and has complete meaning, that group of words, it is called a sentence. Now, some important points related with sentence, that a sentence is always, I repeat, a sentence always begins with a capital letter, whatever types of sentence it is, but a sentence begins with capital letter. Another point we have to remember, that sentence ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark or exclamatory mark. A sentence ends with full stop or question mark or an exclamation mark or an exclamatory mark. That depends on the types of sentences. Where we have to use full stop, where we have to use question mark, where we have to use exclamatory mark, that depends on the types of sentence. Now let's understand types of sentences. There are four types of sentences: assertive, other than, declarative, second, interrogative, third, imperative, and fourth, exclamatory. I repeat, there are four types of sentences. First, assertive or declarative, second, interrogative, third, imperative, and fourth, exclamatory. First, understand about an assertive or declarative sentence. Assertive or declarative sentence, it says or states something. Assertive or declarative sentence, it says or states something. Here I have written some of the examples of assertive sentence, and one point, keep it in mind, that assertive or declarative sentence ends with full stop. Assertive or declarative sentence ends with full stop. See the examples. I leave for school every morning at 6. Full stop, as it is an assertive sentence. Second, I am feeling better. That sentence, it is also an assertive sentence, ends with full stop. Third sentence, the party is on Wednesday. This sentence also ends with full stop. So these are examples of assertive or declarative sentence. Second type of sentence, that is an interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question, that is called an interrogative sentence. I repeat, a sentence that asks a question, it is called an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Whenever you find question mark at the end of the sentence, that sentence it is an interrogative sentence. See some of the examples. Where are you going at this late hour? Question mark. It is a question. Shall we go out for a walk? Is father preparing tea? At the end of these sentences, we find the presence of question mark. So these are examples of interrogative sentences. Here also I want to draw your attention. WH questions or yes no questions, both are questions, they are interrogative sentences. See here, first sentence, it is a question, it is an interrogative sentence, begins with where, and other two sentences, they are yes no questions. Yes no questions are the questions which whose answers are either yes or no. For example, see, shall we go out for a walk? Either the answer is yes or no. So it is a yes no question. Second, is father preparing tea? The answer may be yes or no. So it is also a yes no question. But the first example, where are you going at this late hour? That time we are not supposed to give answer yes or no. So it is not yes no question, it is WH question as it begins with the WH word. WH question words, they are where, when, how, who, whom, whose, which, all these, why, all these are WH question words. They are used for framing questions. When they are used as framing questions, they are WH question words. Third type of sentence, that is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence, it is a sentence that expresses a command, a request, or gives advice or instruction. I repeat, an imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses a request, a command, or gives advice or instruction. Here also remember, the imperative sentence, it ends with full stop. Many of the times, this imperative sentence begins with verb. Some of the times we find some word that is please. Here see the examples. Sit down quietly. Sit down quietly. The sentence begins with verb sit, ends with full stop. It is an instruction. So it is an imperative sentence. Next, do not tear pages from the book. It is also, we can say, instruction or request or advice. So it is also an imperative. Fourth types of sentence, that is an exclamatory sentence. What is meant by an exclamatory sentence? A sentence that shows strong or sudden feeling. I repeat, a sentence that shows strong or sudden feeling. Many of the times, suddenly, sentences come out from our mouth, such as, oh, you have done wrong, hooray, we have won the match. So some of the times that sudden feelings or strong feelings, they come out from our mouth. That time the sentences are spoken, those sentences, they are exclamatory sentences. And an exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark or an exclamatory mark. See some of the examples of exclamatory sentences. Wow, what a beautiful room. Exclamatory mark, exclamatory mark. You are looking amazing. Exclamatory mark. Alas, I got less marks. Exclamatory marks, exclamatory marks. So when strong or sudden feelings are shown with a group of words having verb, such sentences, they are exclamatory sentences. Ouch, my pen is lost. See, in this sentence, wow, alas, ouch, oh, hooray, these words are used in some of the exclamatory sentences. These words are interjections that already you know. Interjections are one of the parts of speech that I taught you. One of the videos already I uploaded based on parts of speech, and the last parts of speech, that is interjection, that the words showing strong feelings or sudden feelings such as wow, alas, hooray, oh, ouch, these are interjections. So these interjections are used in exclamatory sentences. So this here we add 4 types of sentences: assertive or declarative, second interrogative, third imperative, fourth exclamatory sentence. Now one more topic, one more point I want to add and want to explain, that is transformation of assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. Transformation of assertive or declarative sentence into interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence already we have studied. Question sentences, they are interrogative sentences, either WH questions or yes/no questions. And how we can transform an assertive or declarative sentence into interrogative. Remember, use helping verb as per the sentence. We have to use helping verb for making interrogative sentences, and that also helping verb as per the sentence. Second, change the position of helping verb and the subject. We have to change the position of subject and helping verb. Let's understand through example. The party is on Wednesday. This example I have written as a part of assertive sentence. If you rewind the video, you can see this example. The party is on Wednesday. It is an assertive sentence. Here now we have to transform it into interrogative. So see, the party, we can say it is a subject, and it is a verb. So when we have to transform assertive sentence into negative, here it is a verb, so it comes at the beginning of the sentence. So is the party on Wednesday? It becomes a question, an interrogative sentence. Is the party on Wednesday? It is a question, and as it is an interrogative sentence, at the end of the sentence we have to use question mark. This sentence we have made interrogative sentence. Is the party on Wednesday? And it is yes/no question. Now we can make interrogative by using WH question words also. But here we have to remember that we have to remove the answer of that WH question, and then we have to frame an interrogative sentence. For example, the sentence is the party is on Wednesday. So we can make another interrogative, that when is the party? So what we have removed? On Wednesday, because on Wednesday that is the answer of our question. So that we have to remove from the question. When is the party? It is also an interrogative sentence. Is the party on Wednesday? It is also an interrogative sentence. See the difference. This is the party on Wednesday. It is yes/no question. And when is the party? It is a WH question. So there is a difference between yes/no question and WH question. Even when we speak these yes/no type questions and WH question, that time also the tone that is different. Is the party on Wednesday? See the tone. And now see, when is the party? So there is a tone, there is a difference of tone in yes no question as well as in WH question. So this is all about sentence and types of sentences. I hope you have understood. In our workbook, we are given explanation of types of sentences as well as we are given exercise based on this topic. We have to identify types of sentences and also we have to transform assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. So with the help of this video, you can solve that exercise. Thank you, students.